I used to really hustle thinking more hours meant better results. And there's nothing farther from the truth. And maybe you're doing this too. Without balanced rest, we deteriorate. So to truly excel, you want to build in time to replenish, disconnect, move your body, breathe deeply. Don't just hustle, recover with purpose. Then when you return to work, you're going to have greater clarity and energy. You can only bend yourself for so long before you break. Rest is when you do your deepest learning too, even if you don't realize it. So don't see self-care as optional or indulgent. Plan it intentionally. You'll provide higher quality work and live more fully. So rest to excel, my friends. It'll do you good.
I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.